Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to draw a line in MS Word for resume. So first type your name as a heading. So first go to the Home tab and click the tiny dialog launcher arrow in the corner of the paragraph group. Now click the tab button at the bottom of the windows. In the tab position, you need to type 6.5. This is the standard right margin for a 1-inch margin page. So under the alignment, you need to select the right, and under the leader, you need to select number 4 for the solid line. And now all set, click OK, and now just press the tab button on your keyboard. So Word will draw a perfectly straight line from your heading to the right margin. And if you want to draw a dotted line, then head to the paragraph again and go to the tab again, and now this time select the number 2 and click OK, and now this is what you can see, that the dotted line has been inserted. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.